Good day, everyone. Welcome to Musiculay, the channel that talks about vocal techniques in English and Tagalog. I'm Sir Luis, founder of Musiculay. Just like, subscribe, and share, cause it will give us light and we will sparkle and shine. Our lesson is Lesson 2, the middle register. Starting from the lower register, we go now to the level of the face, mouth, and the upper nose. This is the middle register. Middle register. Okay. Using the lower part, wherein inside located the diaphragm, the lungs, the trachea, and the larynx, we will use the lower voice as our support as we go and function the middle voice. Okay? Here. Say ma, ma, ma. Without using the lower voice, it's ma, ma, only the face. Ma, ma. It doesn't mean that when we are on the middle voice, we have to only use this. We also have to apply the lower voice so that we will sound broad enough. Ma, 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 maganda. Okay. Here, we will discuss about opening the air passages by inhalation. The nasal passages, the glottis, trachea, lungs, diaphragm, and then we will sound the vocal cords and resonate, magpapatunog in the chest, face, and head. Sama-sama na yan. Kung tawagin ng iba yan ay mixed voice. And then we will articulate, bibigkas mamaya sa ating vocalization ng ating sa middle register. Okay, paliwanag ko muna. Paliwanag, para lumiwanag ang paligid. Okay. Here. Pag nagbigkas po tayo, nag-articulate, nag-diction, air pressure, pasok sa loob, and then labas sa bibig. Siyempre, para pumasok yan, kailangan open. Open. Kahit sa ilong dumadaan, from the nose going down, open ang glottis, nasa loob, tuloy-tuloy sa trachea, and then labas na naman din uli. Kasama na yung pagleletra. Ang kaibahan po ng awit at saka pagsasalita ay, ang pagsasalita, salita, walang tono. Walang tono, walang nota. Hindi katulad ng pagkanta, pag-awit, may tono. You are so beautiful. When you speak, you say, you are so beautiful. You don't use vibrato. You don't say, you are so beautiful when you speak. That's the difference there. Kaibahan, simple lang. Okay. So we will open our mouths later as we do the exercises. Now, inside as we open naman, vocal folds, ang ating vocal folds, yung glottis natin, nasa pagitan ng dalawang nag-uumpugang mga kwerdas ng ating vocal cords. Nagdudulang glottis. Kailangan may control tayo doon. Huwag masikip, huwag naman sobrang luwag. According to the sound we are going to produce. That's right. Okay? Arytenoid cartilage, parang labi, and trachea, yung trachea going down, and vocal folds. These are the vibrating faculties of the vocal cords. Vocal cords fold in the voice box, larynx, that vibrate and create different pitches by adjusting tension against the breath pressure. Parang tunay, ano po? Resonating, pagpapatunog naman, which we are going to do. Pag nag-aral tayo mamaya, nag-vocalization tayo. Resonating, energizing, and volume control. Okay? Lahat yan. Crescendo, going up, going loud. Hello? Decreasing the sound. Hello? Yan. That's it. That's singing. Articulation. Now here. Let's go now to the exercises. By and by, I will have you feel the parts here. Okay? Sa Facebook, the mask, the frontal mask. Here, see, hello, hello. But when we use the lower register, we say, hello, hello. Thereby, applying also the vibrating factor of the face. Hello. And then when you use the head, hello, the more sound, better sound we produce. Now, exercises. Ang boses po ay sinasanay. From down, from below, going up, and then from up, going down. Mga 5 meters distance from the speaking voice. That's already tenor. Above, going down. You search from the YouTube simple vocalizations for the middle voice, and you'll find it there, and then you use it at home while you rehearse alone. Okay. Now let's now go to the opening. Ne, no, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Let's do. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. Open to L so that you can sound it well. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. And then go down. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. Ne, no, ni, no, ne, no, ni, no, nen. Nen. And then you will notice that we are hurrying up. Yes, because I do not want you to make inip. For as long as you get the idea already, that's good because you can produce it on your own. Okay. Nga, nge, ngi, ngu, ngu, hang. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Nga, 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 nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Hang. Hang. When you do hang, stick nyo doon sa hang, sa NG. Sa NG tayo mag-hang, ganon. You hang on the NG, not the on the A. Ha, not that. You do it, hang, on, in order to open the nasal passages. Okay? To use the resonating factors there. Okay? Let's do it on the middle voice. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngo, hang. Let's do it. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngo, hang. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngo, hang. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngo, hang. Don't forget to use the lower voice and or the lower register as well, huh? That's the support there in order to sound well. Sound like this. You know, I'm keep my mouth open, but the placement is there on the part here, on the upper part of the nose. Mang, mang, mang. Okay. Then maka, meka, mika, muka. Maka, maka, meka, muka, muka. Do it. Maka, meka, mika, muka, muka. Opened mouth, but placed, properly placed on the upper portion of the pharynx. Here, the pharynx. Sa taas ng ating larynx ay ang pharynx. Tuloy-tuloy doon sa nasal passages. Okay? Hard palate. Yung matigas ng alangala. Ay yung may buto. Okay? Yung loob noon, yung alangala na malambot, yun ang sumasara pataas. Tama, ano? Tingnan mo pa sa salamin, tingnan mo pa sa salamin ng sarili mo kung hindi. Ganun nga ang itsura. Para may punching bag na nakalawit na ganon. Okay, na maliit. And now, Let's sound this sa mga lalaki. Okay, on the middle. Let's take our time tonight, girl. Okay, yun. Let's take our time tonight, girl. And then, para naman sa mga babae. Okay. Where the boys are. Puro face yan. Puro gamit na face. Pero may support yan. Huwag aalisin ng support ng lower register. Okay. Where the boys are. Okay. Where the boys are. Dito naman sa lalaki, oh. Let's take our time tonight, girl. Yan. Okay. Sanay-sanay lang. Laging ganyan. Gamitin ng boses at Eureka. Naririyan na yan. Sir Luis, totoo pa lang sinasabi ninyo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we almost had it all. I already explained to you everything here. Bye-bye. Good day. Have a nice day always. Here at Music Kulay at your service. Ha ha.